Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. This is my very first video of Zynq series. Also, this is my first experience of creating a YouTube video. Let's start with my introduction. Well, by profession, I'm a hardware design engineer, having almost 6.5 years of professional industrial experience. Throughout my career, I work on a lot of many areas and at many levels in embedded system designs. And I also believe this is the best time to return what I actually learned throughout my career. Hmm. I think that will be enough about me because I don't want you guys to get bored and run away from this video. Let's get started. This series is all about Zynq SoCs. But the first question that I will ask to myself is why I am starting this series, and you should ask to yourself why it is so important to you to take this series seriously. Let me tell you, throughout my career, I learned a lot and I shared a lot. I am not a person who keeps the knowledge to himself only. This is why my family and friends encourage me to share it with the world as well. Also, Allah said in Quran, the translation is, are those who have knowledge and those who have no knowledge are alike? Means there is a big difference that between those two peoples who have knowledge and who don't have knowledge. So now it's our duty that we should struggle to gain knowledge and share our experience with everyone so everyone can take benefit from it. One more thing, if we learn something and do not practice it, then I think the learning was just a waste of time of yours and as well as for others who taught you. Also, the knowledge which does not reflect is a useless knowledge. People may differ with my thinking, but I think in general many will agree with me. Now let's jump to the main point. That why I am going to use Zynq instead of simple FPGA. In a brief description, the FPGA is only based on programmable logic cells, aka PL cells. Means you can implement your logic by using HDL, that is Verilog, and VHDL. Sometimes it is not very feasible to use FPGA to implement logic. So we use combo, means both the processor and FPGA. Previously, there were two options. Either we connect processing externally with FPGA or we implement microblaze, means soft processor in the FPGA, which obviously take lot of PL cells. But now we have Zynq SoCs. Xilinx provided these SoCs with having high-end dedicated processor alongside FPGA in a single chip. So we don't need to have worry about complex hardware anymore. And a single chip can do every possible thing for us. So we get more speed, more IOs, more dedicated functionalities, real-time processing on a traditional ARM processor, and many more things. So this is the main reason for selecting Zynq SoC as a device for this tutorial series. Also, this series will assume that the watcher already have basic knowledge of FPGA, Verilog, and Linux. There are many Zynq boards available in the market. For example, Zybo and Pink from Digilent, Z-board, MicroZ, PicoZ boards by Avnet. If we talk about most popular, then Z-board, Zybo, and MicroZ are the famous ones. But if we talk about price and features for getting started, then I would recommend Zybo board. And during this series, I will use Zybo board. There are a lot of things involved in development process. And throughout this series, we will learn how to use tools for the development and what are the basic process of from concept to actual hardware. For example, we will see the tools required for the development, what are the block designs, and how to study the schematic of some specific hardwares. We will see what are the debugging techniques and how to control the hardware from bare metal applications or Petalinux. We all know this FPGA industry is very big. People and organizations are already providing many solutions for our problems. So we will not let them down by not using their materials. And we will utilize their material in our videos. Industry giants, including Xilinx, Avnet, Digilent, has many resources. Also, the forum community like Stack Exchange, Stack Overflow, all full of professionals who help industry to grow more. We can use these resources as well to find the solution of our problems. Now, if we talk about Xilinx Support in detail, they provided the knowledge-based platform to us. This platform almost contains every solution to your problem related to the tools, IPs, and other stuff. There is also a community forum and documentation for our help, which we will utilize throughout our series. Now there are two more joints, Avnet and Digilent. Both provide similar content, for example, community forums and open source projects for the community to use and get started. Okay, before ending this introduction video, I would recommend you to share your thoughts and suggestions with me so I can do more better in upcoming videos. Also, you can ask questions related to the field and I will respond inshallah. Thank you again for watching this video guys. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.